Hello everybody, the Lawn Gnome is here.
Now, where to begin?
So today I am here to review a brand new movie that just recently came out on Netflix. It is the one that a lot of people were excited for just because they were anticipating a fun time to be had by all. And that, of course, is the new film Enola Holmes, starring a fantastic cast including Stranger Things' Millie Bobby Brown, Superman himself, Henry Cavill, Sam Claflin, and Helena Bonham Carter. So this story pretty much is, when you see the trailer, you know exactly what it's going to be about. It is the story of the youngest sister of the Holmes brothers, Sherlock and Mycroft, and basically she discovers that she has her own case to solve. Now the question is really going to be, is she going to solve this case because it is very important to her? And the other question is she going to be starting on a brand new path, just like her brother, Sherlock, becoming a world-class detective? So when I heard that this movie was coming out, I immediately wanted to see the trailer just because of the fact that YouTube was really buzzing about it. And when I saw the trailer for myself, I basically saw something that looked like it was going to be nothing spectacular, but just a lot of fun. And of course, when my wife was very interested in it as well, I knew that this was going to be a movie that we were going to watch, especially considering the fact that my wife is not a Stranger Things watcher. So for her to finally get her first taste of Millie Bobby Brown, though it would be in a very different format, I just wanted her to see this young actress in all of her glory. And this movie was exactly what I thought it was going to be. It was a lot of fun. It was definitely not the best movie that I saw in 2020, but it still was a very entertaining film. Obviously, what sells this movie is the cast. Everybody in this film is so awesome. We even get a lot of cast members from the Harry Potter films, including Fiona Shaw, who plays a headmistress of a proper ladies finishing school that Mycroft wants Enola to actually go to because she is not the typical young woman during the late 1800s in England. She is very brash, she doesn't really have any shame, she talks back to the men, and that's also because of the fact that, look, during those times, women were not those kinds of people. They were really kept in line, and they were given a lot of restrictions, which is another thing that this movie really does want to harp on. It is a very female-empowering film, and that's fine. I mean, I really think that because that was the undertone that we got from this film, we really got to see characters like Enola really be the best that she possibly could be, and not consider the fact that, oh, my big brother Sherlock is the world-class detective, he can take care of this mystery that I'm trying to solve. No, she immediately wanted to do it herself because she was inspired by her brother, and she felt that she could do just as good of a job, if not better, than him. And she does, in fact, solve the case, as does Sherlock, but the banter between Sherlock and Enola is also really great. Millie Bobby Brown and Henry Cavill really do work off of each other so well. As a matter of fact, every cast member that Millie Bobby Brown works with, she just was awesome. She knew how to change her tone and work around every situation in just a beautiful fashion. And of course, there is also a somewhat love interest in the young man named Tewksbury, which is turning out to be, while Enola has a specific mystery that she needs to solve, it ends up being linked to another mystery revolving around this young, wealthy man named Tewksbury, because he has the power to make some serious changes in England, and there are certain people in this world that do not want the change to be made, so the best way to stop it is to kill him because he will be the deciding voice. Another big positive about this film is the score from Daniel Pemberton. He has done a lot of movie scores that I really do enjoy in recent years, and he really just gave me a fun, enjoyable, fast-paced score to go along with this movie, because that's exactly what this was. There's a lot of fun to be had, there's a lot of laughs to be had, there's a little bit of drama in this film, there's also some interesting plot twists, which I personally didn't see coming, but again, the only negative that I can say is that it's not a grand, epic, game-changing movie. It's just your average family film, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. I would definitely recommend that you check it out on Netflix when you have the chance, because it's a very quick-moving movie. It's 2 hours long, just a little over actually, but it really moves, and that's what I like about this film. And Millie Bobby Brown is just going to be the main reason why you will watch this movie. You're going to love her performance. Such a very different performance from Stranger Things and some of the other movies that she's been in, because she hasn't really had the chance to be in a very lighthearted, comedic family adventure, and that's what you get with Enola Holmes. I will definitely watch this movie again, but I don't think I'm going to want to own this movie on DVD. Just not one of those movies that I can see myself watching countless amounts of times. But if you're looking for something fun, if you're looking for a new movie to watch with the entire family, Enola Holmes is definitely a winner in that category, which is why I'm going to give Enola Holmes 3 stars out of 4. It was a fun, enjoyable film. Thank you very much for watching, everybody. Please leave your comments in the box below, and let's discuss Enola Holmes, and I will see you in the next one.
We have all the time in the world.
Hey, thank you so much for stopping by my channel today. If you're new here and want to see more of what my channel has to offer, please click on the link to my last video, or hit that subscribe button to be kept up to date with all of my uploads. Content of all sorts is posted here quite often, so trust me, you do not want to fall behind. I will see you in the comments, and actions speak louder than words.